Welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage Chic inspired home decor ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage Chic inspired home decor is a beautiful blend of timeless elegance and shabby chic charm, combining antique treasures, soft romantic colors, and cozy cottage comfort. It's perfect for creating a home that feels both nostalgic and sophisticated, with a lived-in warmth. Here are some beautiful and detailed tips to help you create the perfect vintage Chic inspired home decor, cozy, elegant, and timeless. Mix patterns gracefully. Don't be afraid to blend floral prints, stripes, and polka dots. Just keep them within the same soft color palette. Layer textures for warmth. Mix linen, lace, velvet, or crochet fabrics to create depth and coziness. Use vintage lighting. Choose crystal candeliers, ornate lanterns, or antique table lamps with pleated or floral shades. Soft golden lighting enhances the romantic vintage glow. Create cozy corners. Design small, inviting spaces like a reading nook with a floral armchair, vintage lamp, and soft knitted drawer. These cozy corners bring warmth and personality to your home. Decorate with nature. Bring the outdoors in with fresh flowers, dried lavender or potted herbs in the tin cans, mason jars or animal pictures. Natural greenery softens the old feel. Add feminine details, ruffles, lace trim, floral fabrics, and soft drapes make the style feel romantic and graceful. Highlight a statement piece. Every room should have one standout item, like a vintage dresser, antique mirror, or ornate headboard. This becomes the focal point of your vintage Chic space. Repurpose old finds. Turn old suitcases into coffee tables, vintage doors into headboards, or glass jars into candle holders. DIY creativity is a big part of the vintage Chic spirit. Use mirrors to reflect light. Hang antique style mirrors with ornate or slightly tarnished frames. They make rooms brighter, larger, and more romantic, especially when paired with candlelight or candeliers. Add candlelight everywhere. Cluster candlesticks, tea lights or lanterns on shelves or mantels. Candlelight enhances the vintage glow and adds a dreamy, peaceful mood in the evenings. Paint furniture in soft pastels. Give old furniture new life. Layer soft fabrics. Use lace tablecloths, graphic pillows, patchwork quilts, or floral slip covers. Use vintage or storage ideas. Decorate and organize with wicker baskets, old drums, enamel tins, or glass jars. They keep things tidy while adding nostalgic charm. Add botanical and garden touches. Bring nature indoors with pressed flowers, ivy vines, or lavender bouquets. Place them in vintage vases, mason jars, or metal watering cans for a natural cottage vibe. Use timepieces and clocks. Antique style clocks or pocket watch decor add that classic old touch. Keep everything light and airy. Avoid clutter. Let your vintage treasures shine with natural light, soft curtains, and open spaces. Use soft romantic wallpaper. Choose floral, toil, or damask patterns in faded pastels or neutral tones. Mix metal gracefully. Blend brass, bronze, or edged silver rather than polished chrome. Choose furniture with character. Look for furniture that has curved legs, curved details, or vintage handles. Bring the garden indoors. Use potted roses, dried hortensias, or eucalyptus stems in vintage pitchers or ceramic vases. Layer rugs. Use a wooden jute rug underneath a floral or faded pattern rug. Layering adds warmth and depth, giving your floors an inviting vintage cottage appeal. Choose gentle window treatments. Replace heavy drapes with lace curtains, linen shirts, or floral fabric panels. Decorate with books. Stack old hardcover books with own covers on coffee tables or shelves. Add a feminine touch with accessories. Include porcelain figurines, vintage perfume bottles, or floral china on display shelves. Focus on sentimental layers. Add decor that tells your story, handwritten letters, heirloom jewelry, or collected antiques. Use vintage-inspired scents. Scent complete the atmosphere. Use lavender, rose, sandalwood, or vanilla candles to fill the room with a soft, nostalgic aroma. Highlight your walls with character. Add wainscoting, breadboard panels, or decorative molding to walls. natural fibers. Incorporate rattan, wicker, linen, and cotton. Use lace in unexpected ways. Try adding lace trims to pillow aids, lampshades, or even window balances. Use open shelving. Replace closed cupboards with open wooden shelves to display vintage crockery, linens, and plants. Avoid handmade touches. Decorate with crochet table runners, embroidered pillows, or hand-sewn curtains. Vintage Chic celebrates craftsmanship and the charm of imperfection. Mix rustic and refined. Blend rustic textures like weathered wood or oven baskets with refined details like crystal lamps, lace linen, or gold-framed mirrors. Bring in vintage textiles. Hunt for antique quilts, floral tablecloths, embroidered napkins, and lace runners. Add functional decor. Choose decor that doubles as storage. Vintage trunks, hat boxes, wicker baskets, or animal tins. Decorate with pastel ceramics. Display vintage teapots, floral plates, or porcelain figurines on open shelves or hands. Add a statement piece. Choose one eye-catching antique like a carved armory, an iron bedroom, or an old fireplace mantel, and build your decor around it. It gives your home a strong focal point. Use vintage hardware. Swap modern cabinet handles or doorknobs with antique style brush or porcelain wands. Thanks for watching the video.